Another cool way to work around with photos in Spark Base is to use Glideshow Options. So in order to use Glideshow option, I'm going to go over here, and here on the right side you can see Glideshow. So Glideshow is different than regular photo display. So let me just click on this, and once I click on Glideshow, you can see that there are a different layout actually pops up. So you can select the images of your choice. So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this image right here. I'm going to choose this image as well, and I'm going to choose this image as well, just like this. So I got 3 images right here. I'm also going to choose this image right here, and there you go. I got 4 images for the Glideshow right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save right here. So once I go over here, you can also edit the image, you can replace the image, you can rearrange the image right here as well, move it backward, move it forward, and you can replace the image as well, and you can press save just like this. So press save, and there you go. There's the Glideshow. It actually begins from this point onward. So you can see that as I scroll down, it actually zooms in. There's the caption for this, so you can go over here and add in a photo, a video, even a button over here. So I'm going to go over text, and I'm going to say this is an H1. So you have formatting options over here. This is a tree, just like this, and you can add in more elements. So you can go over to photos, and let's say I'm going to add in this photo right here, just like this, right? So I'm going to go over here, photo, there you go. So it is actually there. So you can see that now this is the background image. You have this that pops up. This is a tree and a photo. You scroll down, there's another image right here. So you can replace this with the text. Cool transition, something like this. You scroll down, there's another image right here. So another image right here. Another, let me just select this out. You can also center align this and so forth. You can also move around this, as you can see right here. So it is aligned in the center now, or you can align this on the right. Scroll down in the image, center, and I'm going to say this is the end. This is the end, just like this. I'm going to center align this, and I'm going to go for H1, just like this. This is the end. There you go. That's it. So this is the first image, just like this. This is a tree. Scroll down, another image, and another image. So if I were to go for preview, then I'll see how everything looks out when other viewers actually see this. It's loading, as you can see, and now it's loaded. So you go over here, the regular audiences will see my web pages like this. So I have a bunch of like background image, some text. Scroll down, you have this, subheadings and everything else. You scroll down, you got a Glideshow, like this is a tree, cool transition right here, another image, and this is the end. And the great thing about this is actually very, very responsive. So it really works around with any device without any much effort. So let me just close this out, and you can continue editing this quite further. So you can see that you can create all of this wonderful transitions and page layout without having any HTML knowledge at all. So that's how you work with Glideshow options inside of Adobe Spark Base. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.